Quick today's empties. Empties for the end of 2025, last 2025 empties. And I will start with my Uma foundation, and it is empty. Sweet Beats Gloss from Juvia's Place. e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, semi-matte. My makeup wipes from Walmart. LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in Relentless Red. Nothing left. A sample of Laneige Cream Skin, which is for normal to dry skin. I knew it was normal to dry skin because when I put it on, my face looked so greasy, but it felt nice. So I used the sample. My Coach samples, women, men, Jimmy Choo Man Aqua, Jimmy Choo I Want You, Dior, all of them smell nice. Best liquid eyeliner, as far as I can tell you, is the Eye Method. This lasted a long time. That was Pia. Now, one declutter. Dermasil Labs, the glycolic glycolic acid toning solution, glycolic acid with witch hazel rose water. I use up to here. I use the first one and I would use it every other day because I noticed that whenever I use it every day, it made my skin really bumpy. But I already had the backup. And then I decide that's it. I'm not going to sacrifice my skin for this. La Vie est Belle by Lancôme, the perfume lotion. Victoria's Secret Amber Romance Fragrance Mist. Smelled really good. Jergens Ultra Healing Repair and Heals Extra Dry Skin body lotion. Dove Advanced Care. And the last item in my empties for 2025 is Bath and Body Works, and it is called Butterfly Body Wash. These are all my empties for the last of 2025. I want to leave you with this simple but easy thought. I want you to remember that you are always first. If you take care of yourself, you are able to take care of others. If you are not feeling well, always reach out. I love you, and I will see you in 2026 if it is God's plan. Bye.